Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a gaming enthusiast or a professional looking for the ultimate typing experience, you know how crucial a good mechanical keyboard is. Not all keyboards are created equal, and today, we're diving into the world of mechanical gaming keyboards to uncover the 7 best options that blend style, functionality, and unparalleled performance. Whether you're battling it out in an MMO or drafting your next big project, we've got you covered. Let's get into it. Starting our list is the DAWS Keyboard 4 Professional Mechanical Keyboard, a masterpiece that combines tactile feedback, durability, and a minimalist design. Crafted for both gaming enthusiasts and professionals who demand the best, this keyboard features cherry-mixed switches known for their reliability and precision. The build quality is second to none, with a robust metal frame that can withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions and long workdays. The DAWS Keyboard 4 doesn't just excel in performance, its sleek, no-frills design makes it a stylish addition to any setup. It includes dedicated media controls, a USB pass-through for added connectivity, and an oversized volume knob that adds a touch of class and convenience. Moreover, the keyboard offers an unmatched typing experience, reducing fatigue with its optimized key travel and resistance. Durability is a key factor here, with the keyboard designed to last for millions of keystrokes. This longevity, combined with its responsive switches and comprehensive features, makes the DAWS Keyboard 4 Professional an excellent choice for gamers and typists alike, ensuring effective and enjoyable use over the years.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Next up is the Azio Retro Classic Bluetooth Walnut Wood Keyboard, a stunning piece that marries vintage aesthetics with modern technology. This keyboard stands out with its genuine walnut wood surface and tactile mechanical switches, offering a typing experience that's both luxurious and responsive. The design pays homage to classic typewriters while incorporating contemporary features like Bluetooth connectivity, making it versatile for both gaming and professional use. The quality of the Azio Retro Classic is evident in its craftsmanship. The wood and metal construction not only looks fantastic, but is built to last. Its mechanical switches are designed for durability and responsiveness, providing a satisfying click with every keystroke. This keyboard is not just about looks, it's about providing a premium, efficient typing experience. Usability is a strong point for the Azio Retro Classic. It supports Bluetooth connectivity for a clutter-free setup and is compatible with multiple devices, allowing for seamless switching between your computer, tablet, or smartphone. The rechargeable battery ensures you stay connected without constant interruptions. For those who appreciate the finer things in life, this keyboard blends functionality, durability, and timeless design into one impressive package. Number 3. 8-bit-do Retro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard takes inspiration from the nostalgic era of gaming, offering a retro design with the performance features modern gamers demand. This keyboard features mechanical switches optimized for gaming, providing tactile feedback and fast actuation for competitive play. The colorful, customizable RGB lighting adds personality to your gaming setup, while the compact design makes it ideal for smaller desks or gamers on the go. Design and quality go hand in hand with the 8-bit-do Retro. Its durable build ensures it can handle intense gaming sessions, and the attention to detail in the retro-inspired keycaps and frame design will appeal to those who love vintage gaming aesthetics. The keyboard also offers excellent usability, with programmable keys and easy-to-use software for customizing your gaming experience. Durability is a standout feature, with the keyboard designed to withstand the test of time. The mechanical switches are rated for millions of keystrokes, ensuring that the 8-bit-do Retro will remain a reliable companion for your gaming adventures. Whether you're reliving your favorite classic games or tackling the latest titles, this keyboard offers a unique blend of nostalgia and performance. Number 4. Corsair K100 RGB Optical-Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, a high-performance keyboard that sets the standard for gaming keyboards. It features cutting-edge optical mechanical key switches for ultra-fast response times and durability. The customizable RGB lighting and an integrated EQ control will offer deep customization and control over your gaming environment. The Corsair K100 is built with quality and performance in mind. Its durable aluminum frame ensures it can withstand the pressures of intense gaming, while the optical-mechanical switches offer not only speed but also reliability over traditional mechanical switches. The extensive customization options allow you to tailor the keyboard to your gaming style, enhancing both your effectiveness and enjoyment. This keyboard's usability extends beyond gaming, with dedicated macro keys and the EQ wheel allowing for quick actions and adjustments. Whether you're editing video, playing music, or gaming, these features provide a level of control and efficiency unmatched by other keyboards. The Corsair K100 is designed for gamers who refuse to compromise on performance, offering speed, durability, and customization for the ultimate gaming experience. Number 5. The Logitech Mix Mechanical Wireless Keyboard, which combines sophistication with functionality. This keyboard is a testament to Logitech's commitment to high-quality, durable gaming gear. With its sleek design, it not only complements your gaming setup, but also offers unmatched usability and comfort for long gaming sessions. The keyboard features low-profile mechanical switches that provide a satisfying tactile feedback without being too loud, perfect for both gaming and typing. The wireless connectivity is robust, offering a lag-free experience that's hard to find in wireless options. It's compatible across various devices and operating systems, showcasing its versatility. Moreover, the Logitech Mix Mechanical is built to last, with a solid construction that can withstand the rigors of intense gaming. The customizable RGB lighting adds a personal touch to your gaming environment, while the battery life ensures you're not constantly reaching for a charger. Its performance and reliability make it a top choice for gamers who demand the best. At number 6. The SteelSeries Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard offers a unique blend of mechanical and membrane technology. This hybrid approach delivers a key feel that's both familiar and enhanced, giving gamers the best of both worlds. The build quality of the Apex 5 is exceptional, with a robust aluminum frame that's built to last. The keyboard's durability is matched by its design aesthetics, featuring dynamic RGB lighting that's customizable down to each key. This not only enhances your gaming experience, but also allows you to personalize your setup to your liking. Functionality-wise, the Apex 5 doesn't disappoint. It features a clickable metal roller and media keys for easy control over volume and settings, even in the heat of battle. The hybrid mechanical switches offer a satisfying tactile response with the durability of a mechanical switch, rated for 20 million key presses. The inclusion of a magnetic wrist rest further elevates its usability, ensuring comfort during extended gaming sessions. Rounding out our list at number 7 is the Alienware A510K low-profile RGB gaming keyboard. This keyboard is a showcase of Alienware's dedication to high-performance gaming peripherals. Its low-profile design is both stylish and functional, offering faster actuation and a comfortable typing experience. The A510K is built with durability in mind, featuring a slim yet sturdy construction that can endure long gaming marathons. The fully customizable RGB lighting adds an atmospheric touch to your gaming setup, fully immersible with Alienware's AlienFX technology. What sets the A510K apart is its cherry-mixed low-profile keys, which provide all the tactile feedback and precision of traditional cherry-mixed switches, but with a shorter travel distance. This not only makes it quicker to respond in game, but also more comfortable for typing. The keyboard also includes dedicated volume and multimedia controls, a USB pass-through port for easy connectivity, and programmable keys for custom gaming profiles. And there you have it, folks, the 7 best mechanical gaming keyboards that can elevate your gaming and typing to the next level. Each of these keyboards offers a unique blend of design, quality, and performance, ensuring there's something for every preference and need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy gaming!